Alright, hey guys, it's X-Man. I'm contributing to the channel. Today we're opening up Panini Chronicles Draft Picks 2020 box. It's football cards. Yeah, so let's get into this. I've done that on my own. Usually I have the person at the store open it like that for me. Alright, let's check this out. This is the signature pack, so we'll save that for last, and we'll open these three first. So, this one's here, it's the signature one, and these are the three. Alright, so first up, we got Brandon Ayuk. That's the card. Next up, we have, these are flipped around, Jake Breeland, Oregon. Then we got Jake Luton. We actually have a James Morgan. It's actually a really sweet card. See here, it's a crown, it's reflective. Then here we have a Jerry Jeudy draft pick card. It's really nice. Yeah. Alright, so that's our first one. Next up, we have a Salvon Ahmed. Oh, we got a Tua card. Oh, it's a rated rookie and it's a super nice card. Alright, we also have a Juncal Hasty. I haven't heard of him, but sure Teo will probably edit something in here telling me who it is. Yeah. Then here we have a CeeDee Lamb. This is a great card. I'm a Cowboys fan, so this is an amazing card right here. I actually love this thing. It's the crown one as well, but just look at this card. Amazing. And then lastly, we have a Javon Leak. I think that's how you pronounce his name. Look at that. So far, this is my favorite card. I'm just hold it there since it's my favorite. Taylor's probably going to back me up on that one. Next. This one. Ooh, we got a Justin Jefferson. Kind of thought this was gonna be a different card, but it's a nice card nonetheless. Next, we got Devin Duvernay. I think that's how you say it. Texas. Yeah. Next, we have DeAndre Swift. This is a sweet card as well. I like how that looks all the way through. Look at that. Next we have an Adam Trotman. This is another crown one. It's really nice. And we have an Anthony Gordon. This card is beautiful. Yeah, here you go, guys. This is a beautiful card. Alright. So for good luck, guys, we have our final pack. This is going to be our signature pack. You guys, like and comment who your favorite sports team is in general, what your favorite sport is, and who your favorite player is, and just like and comment and get good luck. Alright, this is one of these four. Alright, one of these four, I'm gonna go crazy, okay? So, right now my favorite is the CeeDee Lamb card, so let's open this up. Oh, and if you have any advice on how to actually open cards properly, let me know. I'm not looking at the card, So, for our starter one, we got Keyshawn Vaughn. Yeah. This is the card. Alright. Requise Callaway. This might be our signature. Yeah, it is. Look at this card, guys. It's actually beautiful. And I like the signature. He has a clean signature. Alright. Next, we have an Anthony McFarland Jr. It's another clean card. then finally, or not finally, next we have a Benny LeMay. It's a nice card. It's another crown card. And then finally we have an Anthony McFarland Jr. again. Just look at these cards, man. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Can you guys like, subscribe, hit that notification button? Yeah. Maybe at 1,000 subs when we give away our gift card, y'all can let me know if any of these cards you like besides this Marquise Callaway, and maybe we'll give it away. Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, please watch our next videos. Thank you.
Beep 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 beep.